Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with DIYs by Carolina. I hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing week. So I am super excited about today's video. I am partnering with TEMU to review some of their outdoor products, and I cannot wait to share those products with you guys. Hopefully you will love the products that I chose, and maybe you can use them in your outdoor space as well. All right, y'all, so this is how the products arrived. As you can see, it's just one large package consisting of all the products that I chose. All right, so this first item that I chose is a sprinkler and soaker hose, and this is actually ideal for anyone who does not have a sprinkler system set up in their yard like myself. So you guys already know that I have a large yard space with a lot of plants, and I'm trying to actually grow back my grass, and because I don't have a built-in sprinkler system, this is perfect for what I need it for. It's actually sprinkling water from both sides of the hose. So the entire length of the hose is sprinkling water everywhere, which is perfect. So I'm able to actually water my grass as well as my plants with this one hose. So another great feature about this hose is that this can also work as a ground soaker that drips water directly to the roots of your plants while saving you up to 70% in water. So some of the really great features with TEMU is they offer free shipping on items shipped from TEMU. They also provide free returns for up to 90 days. And one of my personal favorites is their price protection policy, which means that if you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. So the next item I chose is the fairy Garland lights, and these are outdoor lights. They're waterproof and they come in a variety of different colors, and this one actually has 100 lights. All right, so here's what it looks like during the day, and you definitely want to make sure you put it in a space that gets a lot of sun because this is completely solar powered. So if you guys are interested in shopping any of the outdoor items I selected for today's video, then be sure to download the TEMU app through the link that's listed in my description. And don't forget to use my code to get more perks on the items you purchase. So another favorite item in this purchase is actually this sun hat with the neck flap. Y'all, this is so ideal because so many times when I'm outside in the yard, my neck tends to burn from the hot sun. So I'm super happy about this hat because it does have a wide brim and it has the drawstrings to secure the hat on your head as well. But this flap here, guys, for the neck is absolutely perfect. So next up, I have these outdoor lamps with motion sensors. These are completely solar powered and they're waterproof. I'm going to be using these in my outdoor space because I do have different areas around my home that really doesn't get a lot of lighting at night especially. So this is going to be perfect. So whenever I step out in those areas, I'll have ample lighting. So I really love the fact that these are motion censored and they come in various quantities as well. Another great feature is that these lights have various lighting modes as well as motion sensor range. So this is another great item. This is an oil-proof and waterproof apron. It comes in a couple of different floral prints. You can use this for gardening or cooking. I'm going to be using it for gardening. This is going to just kind of help me from getting so messy when I'm outside, you guys. I love the fact that it has the big pockets in the front because I'm always collecting items whenever I'm outside. If you spend a lot of time outdoors, whether you're camping, gardening, and you're always noticing gnats trying to get into your eye, well, then you understand why I chose this product. So this hat is perfect for keeping those mosquitoes, keeping those gnats out of your face. This is so ideal, you guys, and I love the fact that you can layer it on top of the hat, so then that way when you're not using it, it has the perfect place and the perfect spot on the hat. But once you actually need to pull it out, it's so easy to actually pull on the drawstring, pull it down. It covers the entire face, the entire neck area, and you can adjust it to cradle around your neck area. I absolutely love this, you guys. Another item I chose are these two solar floodlights. They came two in a pack. They also came with two remote controls, and they work from dusk to dawn. These lights also have a motion sensor, and you want to definitely make sure you're placing this light in a well-lit area so that it gets plenty of sunlight, because it is completely solar powered. So as you guys can see, this light is extremely bright, and on the remote control, it does have different lighting modes where you can either increase or decrease the intensity of the lighting. So one of the ways I'm going to be using this particular light is I'm going to use it to light the inside of my storage house. I'm going to have the solar panel on the outside of the storage shed, and then the light portion in the inside of the storage house. So up next, another favorite is this expandable water hose. And guys, look at that price. That says it all right there. And the one that I purchased is actually the 75 feet long water hose. And one of my favorite things about this hose is that it has a shut-off valve. So I really, really love this item. So comment below and let me know which product you find most appealing to use in your outdoor space. This product is probably one of my top 5 because there's not too many places where you can purchase a 75-foot water hose for under $10. All right, y'all, so here's the water hose. This is a 75 feet water hose. It doesn't look like 75 feet. That's because once you actually turn on the water, it expands. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, so now as you guys can see, it is expanding. Look at that. So another great feature with this water hose is that it comes with a shut-off valve. And if I wanted to turn on the water, and then turn it off. All right, y'all, so last but not least, I also went ahead and got the electric Bug Zapper because y'all already know I love sitting outside on my deck, enjoying my outdoor space, and I can't do that with all the bugs around. So one of the things I really, really like about this particular Bug Zapper is that it has a little hook where you can actually hang it up pretty high. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's content. And as a reminder, if you're interested in purchasing any of the items in today's video, don't forget to download the TEMU app that's linked in my description. And be sure to search my code to get a $100 coupon bundle. So I do want to give a huge thank you to TEMU for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye now.